Everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to share your Instagram post on Pinterest. So for this, go to pinterest.com. So let me go to pinterest.com over here, and after going to pinterest.com, log into your account, and after logging into your account, you can click on this plus button over here, which is at the bottom right corner. Click on it and click on create a pin, and on create a pin, now go to your Instagram, and on your Instagram choose whichever photo you want. So let's say I want to choose this photo, and I need to get a link of this photo now. So let me get a link of this photo. After getting the link of the photo, I can click on save from site and enter the photo's link over here. And click on this arrow button over here. And this is the photo which I want to, share on my Pinterest. So I can click on it and then click on add pin. Over here, add a title to this pin over here. So let me add a title. And after adding a title, I can click on save. See it now, but if I want to send it to somebody, I can click on send and send it to somebody as well. So let's put on see it now. Now, whoever visits my profile picture on my Pinterest, they will be able to see it. So let me show you. As you guys can see over here, they can see this photo. So that's basically how you share posts from Instagram on Pinterest.